I've started at Technoset and I've been here for 6 months now in the quality department. So compared to being at college at Technoset, I have a lot of opportunities and I get taught quite a lot from the older people, so I get to gather all their knowledge and put it into what I'm doing. So in a typical day, I arrive, make sure I'm nice and early, prepared to work at 7 o'clock. I usually do batch inspection and then I do roaming inspection when I need to, as well as use the CMM and the quick vision, as well as the Vici to inspect the components. So batch inspection is when the parts are made on the machine, the batch is completed for the day and it's washed, sent to us. I receive a drawing and other information related to the parts. I then check all dimensions, depending on what the customer needs. It could be 10%, 100%, as well as a visual inspection on the parts. So that's what batch inspection is. I think within the quality department there's a lot to do. It may only seem like we're just measuring parts, but we also have to program the machines. It could be other things like SPC, informing machinists what to do on the machines if they're unaware of what to do. There's also first off inspections, so when the machine is ready to be ran but the first part needs to be checked, I can also do that. No, I'd say every day it goes quick because I'm always doing something. There's never a time where I'm really looking for something to do because it's always busy and there's always a lot to do.